The Northeast Corridor is known as the busiest rail corridor in the U.S. with the fastest trains in North America. With its origins dating back to the 1830s, some of the infrastructure has started to show its age, causing serious bottlenecks along this busy line. One of these bottlenecks is the Baltimore and Potomac Tunnel. The Baltimore and Potomac Tunnel first opened in June 1873, intended to allow direct access to Washington, D.C. for the Pennsylvania Railroad. The tunnel starts just west of Baltimore's Pennsylvania Station. It runs through multiple neighborhoods in Baltimore before ending just north of the West Baltimore Station. Over the tunnel's 151 years of history, it has gone through multiple upgrades and renovations. However, the cost of maintaining this century-old infrastructure has become increasingly high, and some of the design the tunnel had, such as sharp curves, tight spacing between the tracks, and a section with steep grades, has limited capacity and train speed, leading it to be one of the worst bottlenecks on the Northeast Corridor. With the existing tunnel deteriorating and the insane cost to keep it in good shape, the need of a replacement tunnel has become urgent. In 2008, an environmental impact study for the replacement tunnel was passed, and by late 2014, a few alternative plans were proposed to be carried forward for further studies, including rebuilding the existing tunnel, a new Great Circle passenger tunnel to the north of the existing tunnel, or a new parallel tunnel to the south of the existing tunnel. In November 2016, the B variant of the Great Circle tunnel plan was chosen. The tunnel was later renamed as the Frederick Douglass Tunnel, and the design was revised in 2021. The entire project will be 3.67 miles long, with 2 miles being two single-track tubes. The new tunnel will be for electric trains only and will allow the maximum speed of 100 miles per hour or 160 kilometers per hour, a significant improvement from the 30 miles per hour the existing tunnel allows. Along with the new tunnel, the West Baltimore station of the MARC commuter rail will be rebuilt with high-level platforms. Unfortunately, the new tunnel will require displacement of 22 residences and 6 businesses. The project is estimated to cost a total of $6 billion. As of late 2023, Amtrak has been awarded a total of $4.7 billion from the Infrastructure Investment and Jobs Act. Another $1.2 billion will be contributed by Amtrak and the Maryland MTA. Early estimates say the tunnel will be open for passenger service by 2032. The estimated completion time as of 2023 is 2035. So, what are my thoughts on this project? Well, I believe it is a good start towards modernizing the entire Northeast Corridor. I am quite surprised that it was able to be pushed forward, especially when I heard that it involves residential homes being displaced. I do think there is a lot of other improvements we can do along the Northeast Corridor, such as improving some sections that have huge curves, which prohibits high-speed operation. The new tunnel will save Amtrak trains around 2.5 minutes compared to the existing tunnel, but if we can do other improvements along the Northeast Corridor, time saved will add up to a significant difference. In the long run, I will support a new high-speed rail line from Boston to Washington, D.C. with a different alignment. But these are all topics for my future video, so stay tuned. What do you think about the Frederick Douglass Tunnel? Share with me in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.